Hello there, you're welcome back to Biology Lectures with Akirili Oladimiji Philip. So move on to the next component of blood, which is the red blood cell. This is one of the cellular components of blood, which means that it has a cell, not like the one we have in plasma. So basically here it has a biconcave shape, which means that there's a depression on both ends of the cell, like it has one here and one at the other end. What does that do? It allows the red blood cell to be able to move freely through the capillaries, so without getting ruptured, so to say. Then one funny thing about the red blood cell is that it doesn't have nucleus. That's funny. It had nucleus at the beginning, but by the time red blood cell gets matured, the nucleus had disappeared. And what's the advantage of that? It has hemoglobin. So hemoglobin has taken a whole space, so to say. All right. Now it says here, sorry, I have few typographical error here. I'm really sorry. I found out quite late. So it says this shape resulted from them not having nucleus. The advantage of biconcave shape helps to give a large surface area, which is essential for diffusion of gases in and out of the cell. Then, of course, most importantly, it can go through the blood vessel without getting ruptured. Now, there's something is oxygen binds. This is meant to be binds reversibly with hemoglobin. Let's check this out. So hemoglobin is the red pigment, iron pigment in the blood cells, in the red blood cell, please, specifically. Let's check this out. So this is hemoglobin. You can see it has 4 structures: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those 4 structures, which are these guys here, are the hemoglobin which oxygen binds to in the red blood cell. So this whole structure you are seeing is in the what? In the red blood cells. So it contains hemoglobin which allows oxygen to bind to it. And you can see, if you are asked how many molecules of oxygen binds to hemoglobin, it is 4 molecules. All right, but how many atoms? 8, because each molecule has 2 atoms in it, so to say. All right, so this is red blood cells, which is the one that transports. This is the hemoglobin red blood cell which transports gases. Not only oxygen isn't the only gas that gets binded to hemoglobin. We have carbon dioxide also getting binded to it. We also have even carbon monoxide, all right, that could get binded to it, so to say.